What if I told you that there are two therapies that exist right now that could help you slow down aging, boost energy, heal faster, and live longer? They're real, they're powerful, and they're changing the game when it comes to human longevity. I'm talking about hyperbaric oxygen therapy and stem cell therapy. Let's start with hyperbaric oxygen therapy, also known as HBOT. This therapy involves lying in a special chamber where the air pressure is higher than normal and you breathe in pure oxygen. Why does this matter? Because under pressure, your body absorbs significantly more oxygen than it normally would. That extra oxygen gets dissolved directly into your bloodstream and it goes to work. It reduces inflammation, it accelerates wound healing, it increases collagen production, it even stimulates the growth of new blood vessels and brain cells. Yes, you heard that right. New brain cells. HBOT has been shown to improve cognitive function, reduce fatigue, and even reverse signs of aging on a cellular level. In some studies, it's even shown to lengthen telomeres, these protective caps on your DNA that get shorter as we age. Shorter telomeres means faster aging. Longer telomeres means even more youthful cells. So when you have HBOT, you're not just healing your body, you're slowing down the aging process from the inside out. Now let's talk about very exciting stem cell therapy. Stem cells are the building blocks of your body. They can transform into any type of cell, bone, muscle, cartilage, nerve, whatever your body needs. But here's the problem. As we age, our natural stem cell production declines. That's why our recovery slows down. That's why chronic conditions set in. That's why we feel older. Stem cell therapy changes that by injecting either your own stem cell or ethically sourced donor stem cells into areas of damage. You can stimulate regeneration at the source. Stem cell therapy is being used right now to repair joints, reduce arthritic pain, rebuild cartilage, and even reverse the effects of degenerative conditions. People also are reporting stronger immune system, younger looking skin, thicker hair, better sleep, less pain, more energy. What's happening is simple but powerful. The body is getting the cellular tools it needs to repair, rebuild, and reset. Stem cells don't just treat symptoms, they regenerate function. Combined with hyperbaric oxygen therapy, which oxygenates and activates those stem cells, the results are amplified. So here's the bottom line. If you're looking to extend your health span, meaning the number of years you live in good health, hyperbaric oxygen therapy and stem cell therapy are the two of the most advanced tools we have today. They won't make you immortal, but they can help you feel better, move better, live younger and longer. Longevity isn't about living forever, it's about living well without limits for as long as possible. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave any comments, questions down below for future videos.